Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on Revolut. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and scan a QR code on Revolut. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the profile icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, underneath your name, you're going to see the @ sign with your username and then a QR icon. Click on that QR icon. Now, once you've done so, here you can click on the pay icon, and then this is going to actually go ahead and this is how you can scan a code to pay on Revolut. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and scan a QR code on Revolut. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.